We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can change time in Oppo Phone. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then find and enter the additional settings menu. From here go for the date and time section, and in here you can change the time in terms of the time format, 12 or 24-hour formats respectively. You can also just make your time to be network provided or automatic, or if you will toggle the switch off, you can set the custom time or time frames by moving the slider like that, as well as custom date if you want to. You can change year, month, or day. Then you can change the time zone manually over here, or make the time zone automatic, or set it to be automatic, so the system will use the internet to decide what time zone you are currently in. And well, that will be pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.